Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful quilling keychain. For this we need some 3mm quilling strip, quilling tool, white glue, a plier, some jump ring and a empty keychain. So let's get started. Now first I'm going to make the base of my keychain. For this I'm going to use 7 quilling strips and make a tight coil with it. Our base is ready now. So now I am going to make some other parts of my keychain. First I am starting with these 3 quilling strips and I am going to make an eye with this quilling strip. Now make a tight coil with this 3 quilling strip. Now our eyes are ready. Now I am going to use this 2 pink color quilling strip to making the wings. Now make a loose coil with it and bend it into a teardrop shape like this. For the eyebrows I am making a loose coil and bend it into a S shape like this. Similarly I create all those parts. Now stick the all parts on the quilling base. Now I am making this quilling tube. And don't forget to leave the space where you can put your jump ring and join your empty keychain. And here you can attach your empty keyring. So my project is done for today. Hope you like it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you want to know anything about this video, then please give a comment in the comment section.